is Judd, and I'm from Pack 365, and I'm trying to label 10 different. I'm trying to collect, mount, and label 10 kinds of rocks or minerals, but instead I have 12 rocks. And this one right here is halite, and then this one right here is
Show them.
mica. This
Show
is
them.
halite. Mica right here.
How does it look like? How does it feel?
It feels soft. And this is barite.
How does it look like?
It looks like it's from mud. And this is coal right here. Not charcoal, but this is limestone.
Where do you get that?
In caves.
And what can you use it for? For chalk?
Chalk, yeah. This one is for baby powder. This is lead. A lead ore.
Where have you seen a lead ore before? Make it closer.
In Gatlinburg.
Mm-hmm.
And this is
Feldspar.
feldspar.
How is it different from the others?
It has crystals in each side. And this is potash.
Describe that to me.
It's like, its name is like potato, but it's potash. It's red, my favorite color. And this is marble. This is what they use to make marbles.
Floors and marbles.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is an iron ore. If you heat it up in the furnace, it would look like a lead ore, but instead it would be iron.
Okay.
And this is top. It's used for baby powder.
It's really...
Powder. It's really smooth.
Mm-hmm. Show them your hands. Do you have white stuff on your hands?
Not really.
That is really smooth.
And this is kaolin.
It's used for what? For making
Windows.
fabric glass?
Fabric glass.
Okay.
Not windows.
Those are really cool. So how many do you have?
12.
And what
1,
did you use
2,
to mount
3,
your rocks for?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12.
What did you use to mount your...
an egg cart.
Okay. Are you still going to collect rocks?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to keep these all.
Mm-hmm.
But we have to return the coal.
You're keeping them.
What? He said we have to return the coal and something else.
Okay, what else will you tell your viewers?
What?
I hope you had fun.
I hope you had fun. I have to have my brother.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.